Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing and testing. This prevents irreversible damage. Lay the tote flat and identify the design type: screen print, heat transfer, or ink. Once done, choose a small hidden patch and apply a dab of rubbing alcohol or acetone with a cotton swab. You want to see whether color transfers, fades, or fibers pill. If the fabric bleeds or weakens, stop. If the ink softens or lifts, proceed. Make sure to note how long the solvent sits during the test. You now remove the main design by alternating solvent and heat to loosen pigments and adhesives. Apply solvent to a cloth and blot. Never rub aggressively, so ink lifts onto the cloth. Once softened, apply focused heat at about 220 degrees F with an iron through a thin towel, or use a hairdryer to warm adhesive back transfers. Then use a plastic scraper or old credit card to lift softened material. Repeat solvent and heat cycles, making sure to work from edges toward the center to avoid smearing. You finish by cleaning and stabilizing the fabric so the tote looks usable. After most ink is gone, wash the area by hand with mild detergent to remove solvent residue and loose pigment. Air dry flat. If faint ghosting remains, consider a targeted color remover or tiny redye touch-up, but test first. If fibers are weakened or color loss occurred, try a gentler solvent or consult a professional textile restorer. Finally, press lightly and reshape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.